Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. Thank all the subscribers for supporting this channel. Today we will discuss one IMO question which is based on number theory. Find all integers satisfying 1 less than a less than b less than c such that product of a minus 1, b minus 1, c minus 1 is divisor of ABC minus 1. So let's start. So when A minus 1, B minus 1 and C minus 1 is a divisor of ABC minus 1, that means ABC minus 1 for A minus 1, B minus 1 and C minus 1. This quotient must be greater than 1 and less than ABC for A minus 1 into B minus 1 into C minus 1. Or as your ABC minus 1 over A minus 1 into B minus 1 to C minus 1. Now this extreme right product can be written as A over A minus 1 multiplies B over B minus 1 multiplies C over C minus 1. Now it is given that 1 less than A less than B, B less than C. It implies that A is greater than equals to 2, B is greater than equals to 3, and C is greater than equals to 4. So analyzing each of the term on the extreme right, it can be written as A over A minus 1 equals to 1 plus 1 over A minus 1. So applying this A greater than equals to 2, it can be written as A over A minus 1 is less than 1 plus 1 over 2 minus 1. In place of A, yes, so less than it will be 1 plus 1, that is 2. Similarly, next term B over B minus 1 equals to 1 plus 1 by B minus 1, and B is greater than equals to 3. This implies that B by B minus 1 is less than 1 plus 1 over 3 minus 1 less than 1 plus 1 by 2. So this is less than equals to your 3 by 2. In the same way, C over C minus 1 can be written as 1 plus 1 by C minus 1. This implies that C over C minus 1 is less than equals to 1 plus 1 over 4 minus 1, that will be less than 1 plus 1 by 3, or this is less than 4 by 3. So coming to this expression again, it can be written as 1 less than equals to ABC minus 1 over A minus 1, B minus 1, C minus 1 is less than, your first is this one equals to 2, this one equals to your 3 by 2, and third one is 4 by 3, or less than equals to your 4. So this term is in between 1 and 4. That means needs to be an integer again. So either it will be 2 or it will be 3. So ABC minus 1 over A minus 1, B minus 1, C minus 1 is an integer, and it will be between 1 and 4. So either this is equals to 2 or this is equals to 3. Now case 1, when it is 2. ABC minus 1 over A minus 1, B minus 1, C minus 1 equals to 2. So now multiplying, I'll get ABC minus 1 equals to 2 times of A minus 1, B minus 1, C minus 1, or ABC minus 1 equals to 2ABC. If we multiply 2ABC minus 2 times of AB plus AC plus BC plus 2 times of A plus B plus C minus 2. So here first I'll apply A is equal to 2 and A is equal to 3. A equals to 2. That time I'll get here 2BC minus 1 equals to 2BC minus 2B plus C plus 2. That means if we simplify this expression, we'll get this one putting A is equal to 2. This gives me twice B plus C equals to 3, or it has no solution because all will be integer. So for case 1, I took subcase A equal to 2. Let me write subcase here. Then next I am writing A equals to 3. And the same expression ABC minus 1 equals to 2ABC minus 2 into AB plus AC plus BC plus A2A plus B plus C minus 2. Here, substituting A is equal to 3, we get 3BC minus 1 equals to 4BC minus 4 times of B plus C plus 4, or this gives me BC minus 4B minus 4C plus 5 equals to 0, and they making into factors BC minus 4B plus 4C plus 16 minus 11 equals to 0, or getting back factor, I'll get B minus 4 and C minus 4 equals to 11. So here b is lesser, so 11 can be written as your b minus 4 into c minus 4 equals to 1 into 11. So b minus 4 equals to 1 because b is smaller value. B equals to 5 and c minus 4 equals to 11. So c has value 15. So one solution we got that ABC A equals to 3, B equals to 5 and C is equal to 15. When we took this value as 2, now I'll come to 3. So case 2, then ABC minus 1 over A minus 1, B minus 1, C minus 1 equals to 3. On cross multiplying, I'll get ABC minus 1 equals to 3 times of A minus 1 into B minus 1 into C minus 1. Or this can be on simplification, I'll get 3ABC minus 3 times of AB plus AC plus BC and your plus 3A plus B plus C minus 3. So here we'll take once A equals to 2 subcase. So putting A is equal to 2, I'll get twice BC minus 1 equals to 3BC minus 3B plus C plus 3. So twice BC minus 1 equals to 3BC minus 3B minus 3C plus 3, or I'll get BC minus 3B minus 3C plus 4 equals to 0. To convert into factors, BC minus 3B minus 3C plus 9 minus 5 equals to 0. So we'll get C taking common, B taking common, C minus 3 minus 3 taking common, C minus 3 equals to 5. So this gives us B minus 3 into C minus 3 equals to your 5. Again 5 can be written as 1 into 5. B is smaller value. So B minus 3 equals to 1 and C minus 3 equals to 5. So this gives us A B is equal to 4 and C is equals to 8. So another pair triplet I am getting triple values. A was 2, so 2, B is 4, C is 8. So 2, 4, 8. Now coming to sub value A is equal to 3, sub case. So it gives us no solution, no integer solution. So here the solutions are equals to 2, 4, 8, and another triple is 3, 5, 15. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the solution.